Hey, let's learn a basic saber twirl. In order to do this flow, you're going to need to know how to do 3 moves. Your basic twirl, your overhead twirl, and your figure 8. If you don't know how to do those, it's totally fine. I have tutorials on all 3 of those. Check the playlist or the YouTube list. Once you know those 3 moves, all we're going to do is put them together into a flow. So what you're going to do is start off with your figure 8. Nice and easy, right? When you get to your non-dominant side of your figure 8 and you go down, instead of going back up to your dominant side, you're going to go up over your head and bring it into your overhead twirl. All right? So we're going to start off with our figure 8. When we get to our non-dominant side, go up into a circle and finish it off with our overhead, right? All right, so let's start it off. Basic twirl, into a figure 8, into an overhead. And if you want to get really fancy with it, what you can do is reverse it. So we did our first one. Now what you can do is from this position, go back and do everything backwards. So go back, overhead, figure 8, twirl. Got it? Cool. Now that you've broken down those basic steps, you can kind of put them together into a flow, and you can make your first saber flow video. So let's try it. I hope that helped.